Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Today we got a Massey. Got some tractor tires that were kind of low on me, and I went to check pressure, and the valve stems were broken. I couldn't even get a reading or anything like that. So the first time I did this, I did it the hard way, and basically, outside in the driveway, I just parked it and I took off the valve stem wherever it was, and all kinds of water came out and all that kind of stuff, or not the valve stem, but actually changed out the whole valve itself. So this time, after a little research, I jacked up the tractor, so I got weight off the tractor or the tire, and I made sure that the stem now is at the very top, right? Forgive all the mud, I got stuck one day. So now the water in the tire is all near the bottom, or the bottom half of the tire, hopefully, and I'm gonna take that stem out and replace it without getting all wet and freezing and everything like that. So basically it's already loose. I'm just replacing it. Got some air pressure, it's gonna lose air pressure, and I'm gonna replace it and get the air back in there, and we should be good to go. Take care, YouTube.